When it comes to printing DTF heat transfers, what most people don't realize is that there is a brain behind the machine, and that is the RIP software. And the RIP software really influences the overall print quality of a transfer. It also heavily influences the print speed of the machine itself. So when it comes to RIP software, there are a handful of main players that we see, and I see at pretty much every single trade show. The first being Fiery. Fiery is also known as CADLink Digital Factory. It was recently purchased by Epson. CADLink is probably the best known in the industry. It's used by more brand DTF manufacturers than any other. What we have learned about CADLink in our own shop, because we've used it on both 4 and 8 color printers, is that CADLink is not designed to handle more than CMYK. And that's a problem. We bought an 8 color printer that does CMYK, red, green, blue, orange. So the printer is capable of printing more colors, but the RIP software isn't capable of accounting for them. And that's a big problem. Great way to look at this. Your consumables is like a bunch of ingredients. If I'm gonna cook a meal, I'm gonna have different spices and ingredients. So I have salt, I have pepper. And the RIP software is telling me, hey, to cook this, you need each of these different amounts of ingredients. In our case, to hit this specific color. That's what the RIP is doing. It's taking what it sees and it's creating those colors to print. Well, the recipe for the colors is what the RIP is producing. And if you have the wrong recipe, you're gonna ruin your meal. When it comes to printers, you can have a printer with 8 colors, but everything comes out looking wrong because we're not using the right recipe. We're not using the right RIP. So CADLink, let me sum this up. I'm not trying to put them down, but if you have more than 4 colors in your machine, I would be not using CADLink. In our shop, we found that it cannot account for it. Some of the other brands out there of RIP software that are more so geared to the 4-color world. First one is Flexi Print Manager. It's been around. Again, would primarily just be using that if it was a 4-color setup. Flexi is typically, going to come with the printer out of the box. Very few shops will go from like CADLink to Flexi. Typically it's, hey, my printer came with Flexi or it came with CADLink, now I'm looking to change. The third software out there is Caldera. We see Caldera heavily used by M&R with their Quattro machines. So the Quattro comes in a 4 and an 8 color setup. Caldera is driving them. Next we have Print Engine. So if you look at a company out of California, Printmize America, they're using Print Engine, so are a few others. Last but not least, our favorite, NeoStampa. So in our shop, we went from Flexi to CADLink, now we are on NeoStampa, and NeoStampa is by far the best RIP that we have explored when it comes to usability. I mean, it's just very friendly, it's very fast at ripping. Ripping can take a long amount of time. They're big files, and it takes time to process and create these formulas and these recipes for the colors. NeoStampa is significantly faster than the others. But what was even more important is that it could account for more colors. We have an 8-color machine. We need to be able to create a color profile, which you use to do through the RIP, and we needed it to be really color accurate. Not only that, we wanted our 4-color machine to become more color accurate. So to sum this up, there's a lot of different RIP software out there. CADLink, Digital Factory, Caldera, Flexi Print Manager, Print Engine. But if we were you, look at NeoStampa. We think it is the best from our personal use when it comes to day-to-day use and specifically color profiling. If you have any questions about the different DTF RIP software available, please don't hesitate contacting us at printphase.com.